Bonjour, Neil.
Hi, Isabelle.
Thank you very much for being with us today for the Q3 results.
My pleasure.
So our third quarter results, it's the first time that we include the results of Atkins. So can you tell us a bit about it?
Yeah, well, our results overall for Q3 are as we expected. And we've got great results coming from the integration of Atkins and Atkins business in particular. So, I mean, Atkins have contributed 800 million of revenues, an EBIT margin of 9.1%, and added $2 billion to the backlog, which is great.
So you're very happy about that?
I'm very happy about the progress that we've made with Atkins. And overall, in terms of our overall results, we've delivered, strong results in terms of an overall EPS of 59 cents.
Can you give us an update on the sectors?
Well, the sectors have gone pretty well. I mean, it's been a huge quarter for business development activities. I mean, we've done well in infrastructure in terms of securing the Husky project in Atlantic Canada. We've also secured Ottawa LRT Phase 2. The work that's going on with the Champlain Bridge, I mean, we've made great progress with the customer. I mean, the customer's been down on site and we've made great progress there, and that's going really well. And we are taking acceleration measures in order to deliver to the original date. In terms of mining, they've been really successful too, in terms of, lots of prospects there. Secured a contract for a key client in Russia. Oil and gas have secured a nice contract in South Africa. And power, particularly within nuclear, are doing really well in terms of the work, in terms of the refurbishment contracts in Ontario with OPG and Bruce Power.
Can you give us a bit more information about the integration of Atkins?
Well, it's going really well. I mean, we laid out the plan right at the beginning, which was a 100-day integration program. I mean, that essentially the vast majority of that was complete in the third quarter. So we've gone through, we've identified the cost synergy process, which was the first piece. And then we moved on to revenue synergies, which was really all about how do we create 1 and 1 to equal more than 2. So it's all about revenues, business development, working with clients. So we've had our 10 main workshops plus a couple of other additional ones. They're all complete. We've got the recommendations now, and we've started to announce and implement the changes there, and that will go on for another 4 weeks or so, but we will be complete certainly by the end of the year. So everybody will be really clear about where we go from the 1st of January.
Early this week, SNC-Lavalin announced the acquisition of Data Transfer Solutions. Is it a good acquisition?
Oh, it's a fantastic acquisition. I mean, it's just in line with what we previously announced. So through the acquisition of Atkins and then the work that we've done in terms of the integration period, we saw Atkins, and I think I mentioned before, we saw Atkins as an ability to turbocharge the whole piece around digital engineering. And this is just a great example of being able to capitalize on that expertise. They're a company based in Florida, based in the US, large infrastructure projects, and it's just equally applicable. We can take this expertise across all of our sectors. So we're very committed to digital and ultimately to AI, and this really is our first step into cementing all of that.